Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a knock sensor. First, you'll need to locate the knock sensor on your engine, which is often found on the engine block. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. Next, carefully remove any components that might be blocking your access to the sensor. Finally, unplug the electrical connector from the old sensor. Once the area is clear, use an appropriately sized wrench to carefully loosen the old knock sensor. Gently unthread the sensor from its mounting point on the engine block. Take a moment to inspect the mounting area for any dirt, corrosion, or debris, ensuring it is clean for the new sensor. Now, prepare your new knock sensor for installation. Begin by threading the new knock sensor into its port by hand to prevent cross-threading. Once it's finger-tight, use your wrench to tighten the sensor to the manufacturer's specified torque setting. This ensures a proper seal and function. Next, securely reconnect the electrical connector to the new sensor. Finally, carefully reinstall any components that you removed earlier to gain access. To complete the repair, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and listen carefully for any unusual noises or indications of issues. It's a good practice to clear any diagnostic trouble codes that may have been stored in the vehicle's computer. Finally, take your vehicle for a short test drive to confirm that the new knock sensor is functioning correctly and the problem is resolved.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.